Hello and welcome to our channel. Have you ever felt lost while reading or listening to a presentation? There's a simple technique that prevents this. It's called signposting. Think about road signs on a highway. They tell you where you are and what's coming next. Let's look at how it works. Signposting works the same way in writing and speeches. These are words and phrases that guide your audience through your content, helping them follow your argument and understand your structure. It makes your content easier to follow, keeps people engaged, and makes you sound more professional. There are 4 main types. Introductory signposts tell your audience what to expect. In this presentation, I'll cover 3 main strategies. Transitional signposts move from one idea to the next. However, in contrast, building on this idea, sequencing signposts show the order: first, second, finally. Summarizing signposts wrap things up. In summary, to recap. Here's signposting in action. Without signposts. Social media affects mental health. Young people spend hours online. They compare themselves to others. This causes anxiety. With signposts. First, let's consider how social media affects mental health. Specifically, young people spend hours online. As a result, they compare themselves to others. This leads to increased anxiety. See how the signposts create a clear, logical flow. Signposting is your roadmap. Tell your audience where you're going, guide them through transitions, and show them where you're headed. Your writing and speeches will be clearer, stronger, and more persuasive. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video to fast-track your language skills.